Hello, it's your boy. My name is Shahan Mahmood. TGM means the gold mark. This is my first video with commentary. That's why I am so nervous, but it's okay. And I'm playing an old game today. Name. You all know that. Zed. You can play easily in Minecraft. Zed, yeah. This is one of my favorite. Not so favorite, but you can say favorite games. No. Yeah. Okay, favorite. Yeah. This is one of my favorite games, and what? Yeah. Favorites. Yeah. And good game. Yeah. Good game. And stuck badly over here, and I can get out of it. Jump! Come on! My name is Jeff. No, my name is not Jeff. My name is Sean. My name is Zach. Come on! Oh, that was too close, man. Come on! What's happening over here? I think he needs a spring under his legs, like Seven Surfers. How do we kill that dragon with the face of shoe? His face is similar like shoe. Yeah. Oh, level 1 clear. I almost don't have any life. 13640 12 points. Thank you very much. Thank you, audience. Yeah, thank you very much. Level 2, a dragon with fire. Yeah. Okay, these are pins. What are the pins doing over here? That makes no logic. I don't care. I need to collect these points of blue gems. Yeah, but I have to jump on these tiles or bricks. No, these are tiles or bricks. I don't know. I have to jump on this to collect some to collect some points, but I wanna do it. Oh yeah. We can use him or it as a gas which comes in our oven. Yeah. Oh yeah, ovens. But it can harm us too. So, oh my gosh! Don't do this. I'm saved. Oh my god, damn it! Oh no! Oh please. Oh my gosh! No! Please! Oh. I have committed a suicide again. I have committed a suicide again. 19640. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. Please. Okay, go to play again. Yeah. Okay. Zed. My name is Zed. Okay, I gotta continue, but I'm still on level 1, so I'll play again. Why God? Okay, just do the shit again. I don't wanna collect points now. I just go and clear the levels. This is easy, man. This is easy. Yeah, this is easy. Easy as waves. Yeah. Okay, go. I can say him. The blood dragon. Yeah. The blood dragon. I don't have time to collect these points, but I have to. Okay, the gate's open. Now I can go from here. This kind of diamond shape of key helped me to open the gate. Okay. Oh, hey. How are you, my friend? It's been too long. We meet. Okay, now this game is doing shit right now. I can't clear this level 2. I can play this level too. And I'm feeling so ashamed for that. Oh my gosh, it's so hard, man. Okay, the thing I want to tell you that this is my first video with commentary. I hope you'll enjoy it. So please like, subscribe, comment, share.